What's good, YouTube? We got these reaction videos of day traders using options trades to pretty much lose all of their money, all of their life savings, all of their crypto, all of their Solana. Sad, sad story, but let's get right into it.
These are times when traders lose a painful amount of money, starting with this guy who lost the average person's annual salary on one trade.
And to be honest, this sucks, man. $40,000. Like, I can't even imagine losing.
Whoa, slow down, man. Slow down. $40,000 on one trade, bro. Whoa, where these guys get this capital to play around with it like that just to lose it, you know?
That, like, I couldn't. 40 bands gone, just like that. And it was on me too. I didn't even get scammed out of it. I scammed myself. This is one of the moments I'd really like some advice, but you know.
Bro, stop trading, bro. Leave options alone. It's not for you. That's the advice.
You know, we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna get this shit working out. Trust me, by summer, we are gonna be lit, guys. I'm telling you. This weekend.
That grit and willpower to not give up is respectable. This isn't the guy's first rodeo.
I know it looks grim right now, but we trade or we. So.
At this point, this guy's just letting his emotions trade for him. When you get to this point and your emotions have taken over because you've lost and you're just kind of like revenge trading, hang it up for the day, for the week, for the month, forever. Just hang it up.
We're gonna make this work next week.
He's resourceful, just like this guy, who managed to turn 20 grand into an expensive life lesson.
I'm down over $20,000 right now trading Forex. These are all of the Forex trades I'm in. But the past 2 months closed P&L, I made a $32,000 profit. And here's the trade history. It's from September 1st to the end of October. So 2 months. And this is my live account. This is not a demo account. I'm actually down $20,000 right now. The trade that I'm in that is the worst is this USD CAD trade. It is a DCA trade, meaning dollar cost averaging, just adding to losing trades in a structured way. If this trade plays out and comes down to here, then this loss of $20,000 is going to be turned into a profit of $20,000. And if this happens, which is a high percentage chance it'll happen statistically speaking, especially if I add even more positions up here, this will result in around a $15,000 to $20,000 profit, which would bring my 2-month P&L to around $50,000. I teach my whole trading strategy for free in this YouTube video linked at the bottom of the short.
This is when if sounds like a lot of hope. Next, meme coin pump.
Bro, too much volatility and risk on options if you're not willing to take big losses to learn how to trade options. I'm not willing to learn to take those big losses, so I'm going to stick to regular swing trading and just playing the stock market in general.
Fast profits, faster dumps. This is why so many traders prefer not to stream. Imagine someone copying your trade and ruining it for you, which sounds terrible until you lose a lot of money and are kicked out of class for it too.
I wasn't recording, but it's fine.
You think are associated with having a house?
Utilities.
Okay, so utilities are.
So this kid, man, it's funny. This kid is in class, looks like supposed to be studying for his next exam so he can graduate whatever he's doing, and this guy is in a live trade on a options put, looks like, or a call, and you can see it in his face, man. He's going through it. Whatever the teacher's talking about is definitely going through one ear, not the other, man, because this kid is down $1,000 on this options play already. So it's pretty funny.
Benny, close the laptop.
I'm literally staring right at you. I didn't even do it. All right, I'm gonna put it on the floor. That's it.
Close the laptop. You don't need it on.
I gotta watch it.
No, you don't.
Imagine taking an L on both the markets and in real life. That would
Damn, yo. This kid told his teacher, I gotta watch it. Teacher's like, bro, put your laptop away. What are you doing?
be a good point to start reconsidering your life choices. Let's make it worse. This trader lost $2,700 in one go. and judging by his reaction, that's 2,700 more than he could afford to lose.
What? Oh.
See, this guy's short in the market. He made a put, meaning that he's banking on this to go down. And look, it's going up. And that's normally how we make money in the stock market when it goes up. This guy is losing money as it's going up. He's down, what, 4,500 now, just as it's going up. I don't play that game, and I don't think I will. I'm good with just regular swing trading for now. That makes me happy.
Down to 4K in a couple of minutes. I'm cutting the loss here. It's heading to 120.
The one time you see the market go wildly green, you're short. That's life. And judging from this next clip, this guy's luck is still not in the clear.
Breakout. Up. Oh. Shiba.
Sometimes the market really is just trolling. Now let's rapid fire some small account deaths.
Okay, this guy's making profit as it's going down. We can see it going down. He's making profit. Now watch, when it goes up, he's going to lose profit. Watch, it's going up. He's losing profit. He's in the negative now.
That's $560 gone, but this guy's just revving up.
Looks like his emotions are getting to him now. He needs to stop.
Using AI to trade to 10,000 is like hoping a stuffed animal could run the circus for you. Sure, it can play a part, but it should never be the main attraction. Thankfully, he learned his lesson.
Never be like this guy. This guy's what we call a lazy trader. You know, he's pretty much leaving it up to AI to hopefully make him money, which in my opinion is never a good idea, because if you want to make money the right way in the stock market, you have to do your own due diligence. You have to take the time out to grab at least one stock. You don't have to know an abundance of stocks. You just need one stock. You study that stock. You study the trend of the stock. You see when the uptrend is going, the downtrend is going, and then you just see the parameters of where the highs and lows at throughout the week, the 30-day, the 6-month, the 1 year, and you just kind of plug all that information together, and then you make a calculated trade at the right time. That's how you make money. These guys right here, this letting AI trade for you, I mean, he's asking for it. In my opinion, it's a lazy way of trading.
Or maybe he didn't. Tough luck. Although losing $500 on an AI trade is bad, at least it's nowhere near this next guy's trading difficulties.
Losing $1,000 in 5 seconds.
Damn.
What the fudge?
I don't even think you can go to the strip club and throw $1,000 in 5 seconds faster than this guy lost it.
What is that?
That's you taking a loss.
$5,000 in 15 seconds. Amazing. Now, let's return to actual visible pain. Day 24 of this next guy losing money on a trading challenge. All right, maybe that's too harsh.
This is day 24 of my trading challenge, and today I lost $6,143 from 2 losing trades. For my
Find another profession, bro.
first loss, we had swept the London high, so I wanted to take shorts into the London low. I entered off at inverse fair value gap, and price rejected from the gap right after I entered. For the second trade, I switched my bias to longs since we held above the London high and ES still had room higher to the London highs. Both these trades were A+, but for the first trade, my execution was rushed and I should have waited a bit longer to enter. The second trade was also A+, but price action died down and buyers got exhausted with sellers stepping in. Not a big fan of Friday price action, and I will look to stay cash next week if conditions aren't perfect. Bummed out by the loss, but we'll make it back.
This was about an incompatible strategy. This one's about impatience.
All right, that's it for this video. I'm not going to make it too long, but the gist of this video I wanted to show you guys is that these day traders that trade options, puts, calls, sure, you can get into it. And if you do decide to ever do that, make sure you do your own due diligence. I would definitely practice with some kind of simulated fake money first before actually trading options. But just know that options trading is very, very risky. Margin trading, very risky. You know, and it's already kind of a learning curve to learn the stock market in general. So just think learning another part of the stock market as far as options, which a lot of people make a lot of money, but these videos here are kind of example of if you don't have good risk tolerance or loss tolerance, stay clear away from options. But everybody, if you like the video, leave me a like. I'll see you later on. Peace.